In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the resolution on Clipchamp so you can export your videos in the perfect quality for YouTube, social media, presentations, or client work. Whether you want crisp 1080p, smaller 720p files, or even higher quality exports, Clipchamp makes it simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently export your project in the resolution you need. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project you want to export. From your dashboard, locate the specific project you've been working on and click to open it in the editor. Make sure your edits are complete before changing the resolution, because resolution settings are applied during the export process, not while you're editing on the timeline. Once your project is fully loaded, quickly review your timeline to confirm everything looks good, including text, transitions, overlays, and audio. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Export button. This is where Clipchamp gives you different quality options for your final video file. When you click Export, a panel will appear showing multiple resolution choices. Depending on your account type, you may see options such as 480p, 720p, 1080p, and sometimes even higher resolutions. Each of these represents the video quality and file size of your exported project. Now, in the Quality section on the left side of the Export panel, click on the resolution of your choice. For example, if you're uploading to YouTube, 1080p is usually the best standard option because it delivers high quality without creating an unnecessarily large file. If you're sharing the video through email or messaging apps and need a smaller file size, 720p might be more practical. As you select a resolution, Clipchamp will highlight your choice so you can clearly see which quality setting is active. Take a moment to choose the resolution that best fits your needs and your platform requirements. After selecting your preferred resolution, simply click on Export again to begin the rendering process. Clipchamp will now start exporting your video in the resolution you selected. The export time will depend on the length of your video, the complexity of your edits, and the resolution you chose. Higher resolutions like 1080p typically take a bit longer than lower ones because more data is being processed. Once the export is complete, your file will be downloaded to your computer automatically, and it will be saved in the exact resolution you selected. That's all there is to it. Changing the resolution in Clipchamp is quick and straightforward once you know that everything happens through the Export menu. Just open your project, click Export, choose your desired resolution in the Quality section, and export your final video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.